Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregating news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look. Here I come. In 3, 2, 1. Bye. Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Greatest show in the daggone multiverse. Oh, yeah. We have a great one for you today. So you know how the Saturday show is, guys. It's a little more loose. And we talk about things that on Tuesday to Thursday, probably a no-go. All right, so look. Let's check out the stories. All right, let's check them out. So here's the Polygon, another Polygon onboarding. So it's been 3 straight days of Matic/Polygon onboardings. And so here's another one. ConsenSys tools Infura and Truffle now supports Polygon. So we're going to read about that. And that's apparently going to make it easier for Polygon developers to develop Polygon shit. Oh, yeah. So we'll check it out. And then Bitwise launches a crypto innovators ETF. And so it's an ETF, but it's not the ones that we're waiting for. But I'm going to show you what it is about and stuff like that. And then this one, I'm just going to read. I'm just going to read this one because it's funny as fuck. Look, a Goldman Sachs executive quits after making millions of dollars on Dogecoin. So, bang, we're going to see who they are, what they are, how much they made, and just have some fun with that, on the weekend, just send you home with a funny story. And then we're going to do the shout-outs and the daily summary as per usual. So, fuck this shit, I'm out of here. All right, so let's check that out. The reason I read this story, the reason I'm going to read this story is because I bet this is how a lot of you are feeling right now. A lot of you are feeling the same way right now. You got a whole bunch of money, but you still got to go fucking back to work. I told you, like my Clark Kent posse. I'm pretending to be a fucking little worker, babe. You're fucking Superman already. All right. So let's just begin how we begin, and we'll have fun when we get there. That's some funny stuff. All right. So let's begin with a little bit of bang, yes. And then we do a little bit of look, bang, yes. And then we do a little bit of refresh. All right. A little bit of refresh. Daggone Bitcoin, daggone. All right, let me get ready. All right, price of Bitcoin. $48,619. All right. When I left yesterday, we were at $49,327. So, we have gone down. What's this? $708. $708. All right. Look, $708 down. There it goes. You know how Bitcoin do. You know how Bitcoin be. You know how Bitcoin get down. All right. Let's check out top 10 of the day. Top 10. Usual suspects. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, Dogecoin, Tether, XRP, Polkadot, Internet Computer, and Bitcoin Cash. All right, I'll be right back. Back. All right. There we go. Soup. All right. And then what we got? So let's check out the market moves. Market moves. Single digits up, single digits down. XRP 13% up. All right. All right. Single digits up, single digits down. Solana, look at you. Single digits up. Whoops. Oh. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Holy, mostly down, really, right? Single digits down pretty much. All right, but single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down, 2. Single digits up, 2, single digits down. All right. Oh, only one had double digits there. That's Solana. Huh. All right. So let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it is on sale, which looks like everything. All right. Well, there's some sales right there. Oh, there's that Telcoin thing. Some of the boys in my chat were talking about that. One guy's been preaching about it lately. So there you go, buddy. 15% off on that on that. All right, well, top 10 losers. Revane, Internet Computer, Telcoin, Curve DAO Token, Synthetics, UMA, Polkadot, Nexo, Kusama, and Yearn Finance. Let's see who made money today. Let's see. Oh, there's some gains up in this. Okay. Some of them deserve it, some of them not so much. All right, top 10 gainers. Harmony, XRP, Solana, Unisedlio, Hedera Hashgraph, Cardano, Chili's, Clayton, and whoops, hold on. And beep, Ravencoin. All right, so you know it's Saturday, so we do the top 10, bottom 10 of the week. So let's see who let's see who lost the most money this week. Or lost the most percentage, I guess is the way to say it. All right, top 10 losers of the week. Qtum, Siacoin, Filecoin, Hollow, Digibyte, Bitcoin Gold, PancakeSwap, Theta, OMG Network, and Bitcoin BEP2. Let's see who made the most money this week. Oh, there's some nice gains, but Matic though. Exactly. Well, I've been reading you Matic stories for 3 days in a bumbleclot row. You fucking should be going up. If it wasn't on here, well, anyways, this is an immature market, so you never know around here. Sometimes you read about a major onboarding and then the thing goes down. How can that happen? Yes. Dumb money. All right. Top 10 gainers of the week. Polygon, Revane, Cardano, Yearn Finance, Kusama, Harmony, Unisedlio, Huobi Token, Near Protocol, and Hedera Hashgraph. Actually, those are some solid gains. All right, it felt like blood red all week, but there's guys in there making money. All right, so let's get to the story. Oh, no, sorry, not the stories yet. All right, so let's look at the total market cap. All right. All right, the total market cap is $2.244 trillion. When I left yesterday, we're at $2.310 trillion. So we've gone down 0.066 trillion dollars. All right, let's see what the 24-hour volume is. All right, nothing exceptional, nothing special. All right. So, 24-hour volume is $215.8 billion. When I left yesterday, we're at $206.0 billion. So we've gone up. Well, exactly $9 billion. All right, let's get to the stories. Back. All right, let's get to some story action. Oh, yeah. Bang. So, ConsenSys tools Infura, Truffle, now support Ethereum scaling project Polygon. All right. And if you look at the byline under the title, it says, the two products should make life easier for developers on Polygon. Oh, yeah, we like easy. All right, hold on. Yeah, that's the third day in a row. Polygon / Matic Network. Rip roaring. Hence its placement at the top. Hence its placement at the top of the top 10 winners of the week. Oh, yeah, top 10 gainers. Oh, yeah. Which is how it should be. when your fucking thing is actually making money, actually generating revenue, actually being used, well, you should be rewarded. All right? So the rewards are coming fast and strong for Polygon. Look. Whoops, hold on a second. All right, so let's check out the story. Bang. Whoops, bang. There we go. So, well, look at these guys. Who are these guys? The Polygon team. Oh, there they are. There's the Polygon team. Oh, yeah. Look like they're from India. Somewhere around there. Well, all right. Developing decentralized apps on the Ethereum scaling project Polygon is set to be a simpler affair, with the network now supported by 2 tools from ConsenSys. Oh, this is one of these bullet point things? Oh, okay. I just saw the Polygon and downloaded it. I didn't even read the story yet. Being added to ConsenSys' Infura and Truffle products alongside Ethereum and IFPS allows developers to program and run dApps on Polygon's network as easily as they would on a cloud platform, according to an announcement Wednesday. So Infura enables developers to connect to Ethereum via an API without having to run a full node, and it underpins the majority of dApps on the network. Polygon, formerly known as Matic, is now looking to offer this same accessibility to the decentralized finance-focused protocols it supports. Truffle, meanwhile, brings tools that help developers build and deploy their dApps like boilerplate projects. Polygon recently announced the launch of a $100 million DeFi for All fund to make DeFi more accessible to a larger number of users in the face of mounting Ethereum gas fees. With those fees currently at recent highs, I've told you about everyone complaining about them in my chat. And I told you about that little workaround that our brother DP Entertainment told us. Yeah, fucking Algorand, baby. Algorand. Do your shit with Algorand if you can. As much as you can, I guess. I don't know. But a couple people today, they tried it, and they said they gave them thumbs up. They're like, DP, thanks. So that's how you got to do it, guys. So with those fees currently at recent highs and seen as an urgent problem for the Ethereum ecosystem, Polygon says its average cost per transactions of 0.000371 will cut costs for users making swaps. At time of writing, the project's Matic token is trading at $1.19, having hit an all-time of $1.22. All right. Oh, that's a short story. Fuck. Anyway, so that's what's going on there. Truffle, let's read it again because it was so quick. Let's just read it again. Truffle products, alongside Ethereum and IFPS, allows developers to program and run dApps on Polygon's network as easily as they would on a cloud platform. And the other product that they have, Infura and Truffle products. Okay. Oh, okay. So sorry. Infura enables developers to connect with an API without having to run a full node. And Truffle, meanwhile, brings tools that help developers build and deploy their dApps like boilerplate projects. So, bang. So great stuff. Polygon Matic is already working, doing good stuff. And these guys are going to help it make it even easier to do stuff with it. So, Polygon hodlers, Matic hodlers, of which I know there are a few of my subscribers who own it. So, bang. Yes. Well played. Well played. All right. Good call, I should say. Sorry. All right, let's move on. Bang. Bitwise launches Crypto Industry Innovators ETF after a green light from the SEC. So, I want to explain about this ETF. So, it's not an ETF of crypto. So, it's not a Bitcoin or a Ethereum ETF. But what it is an ETF like, remember we read about George Soros? And George Soros' fund wants to invest in the crypto industry, but they're investing in, not tokens themselves. George Soros isn't buying Bitcoin or anything. Fuck, he could probably buy them all. Well, not probably, he could. he's not buying Bitcoin or actual coins, but he's buying shares in companies that service the crypto industry. So, like a custodian, a crypto custodian, right? That services the industry, that's going to custody the crypto, right? He's not going to buy the crypto, but he's going to buy some company that custodies the crypto. So he's investing in actually the market infrastructure of the space rather than the actual tokens themselves. You guys get it, right? So, all right. So, look, let's move on. Let's check it out, I should say. Well, let's check it out and move on. Let's go. Look. So the ETF won't be holding Bitcoin or Ethereum directly, but tracks the performance of public companies that are involved in the cryptocurrency sector. All right. Right, so these companies are doing stuff with crypto, but they are not crypto companies, right? They don't have tokens or anything like that. They're just other guys. And like I said, the best example would be, all right, I'm going to custody crypto. All right, they will invest in the custodian, not the crypto itself. So, Bitwise, a digital asset manager with $1.5 billion in assets under management as of May 7th, 2021, is launching the Crypto Industry Innovators ETF, New York Stock Exchange ticker BitQ, that provides exposure to public companies, so they're already listed, they're public companies, that are involved in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency sector. The ETF won't be holding Bitcoin or Ethereum directly. So with this, it has become the first ETF with crypto in it to be approved by the SEC, while a Bitcoin ETF has yet to make it despite several, at least 11, companies interested and having filed their applications. Right, so yeah, this one got approved, right? Because these are already publicly traded companies, and so they're already on the NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange or whatever. And so, yeah, the SEC doesn't mind that, all right, that's a company working with some crypto, fine. Like they don't care about that. It's the actual making ETF out of straight crypto that has been a problem with the last fuckstick, Clayton. So, and so that's how it's working. You guys get it, right? So, yeah, but this ETF, here's approval, buddy. Bang. No problem. Here, go ahead. We ain't got nothing to say about that. It's on the New York Stock Exchange. Have at it. Build an ETF out of it. And so that's what they've done. You know what an ETF is? An ETF is an exchange-traded fund. So it's a fund, which is a basket of assets. So in this basket, this company, they're not putting actual crypto in it, but they're putting companies that do stuff with crypto in it, right? Like I said, a crypto custodian, you're in there. Crypto insurance company, you're in there. What else we got here? Well, I don't know. Let's see. Actually, I haven't read the story, but I mean, I'm just telling you what a fund is. And so you put a fund is a basket of assets. And obviously an exchange-traded fund is a basket of assets that everyone gets to trade. And so that's what they've done. And like it says right here, the SEC has already approved it. The SEC was like, yeah, no problem, buddy. But the SEC is like, all right, go ahead. Which is the same thing that George Soros' company is doing, on a global level. And that's what, don't you worry. Crypto is here to stay, folks. If anyone ever tells you, yeah, so-and-so is going to ban crypto or some country is going to do this and that to crypto, you laugh at that fucker and just click delete on that webpage you're reading because that's a bunch of bullshit. Crypto ain't going anywhere. It's a new asset class and everyone wants their greedy hands on it. Well, and it's not just because it's an asset class, but it's a working asset class. Blockchain is the future. Right? And so, and these are viable companies. These companies are actually being used. These companies are generating revenue. Wow. Hold on. Sorry. Some of these companies are generating revenue. Hold on. I got a little hyperbolic right there. A few of these companies, very few of them are generating revenue. Your VeChains, your Chainlinks, your Stellars, your IOTAs, your Singularity Nets, Cardanos. Who else is generating revenue out here? Yeah, and then a bunch of miscreant DeFi guys, right? But yeah, most are not generating revenues. Ripple. And so, revenue generating. So, all right, let's just move on. Well, let me get a sip first. So, yeah, but you see, like, when they do that, all right, you know, the SEC's like, here, go for it. And actually, there's another, I think this is it. Oh, it is it. Okay, it says it right here. Okay. So, look. Blah, blah, blah. So, but Hunter Horsley, CEO of Bitwise, is hoping that the SEC is moving closer to approving an ETF. Bitwise applied for an ETF twice, got turned down twice. So Horsley says that the Bitcoin ETF journey has been almost a decade long, Horsley told CNN. But I think it will be possible. This is a big milestone for us. BITQ, meanwhile, seeks to track the Bitwise Crypto Index, Industry Innovators 30 Index, which captures pure play companies engaged in the crypto sector and has at least 100 million of liquid digital assets on their balance sheet. So that's the criteria. The company has to be obviously part of the crypto sector, but also have $100 million of liquid digital assets on their balance sheet. So actually on their books. You get what I'm saying? It's like Elon Musk. Yeah, he has 1.5 billion crypto on his books. Also, these companies derive at least 75% of their revenue from either directly hodling crypto assets or serving the crypto market. So that's the other criteria. That's the other, hurdle a company has to pass to get into this ETF. They have to make 75% of their revenue by either directly hodling crypto or servicing the industry. So that would be something like Coinbase. All right, let me give an example. Yeah, like Coinbase. I don't know if they actually hodl crypto themselves, right? They just service the industry. Where something like Grayscale, obviously, more than 70 at least, because you have to derive at least 75% of your revenue. Well, Grayscale derives that, right, from their crypto, obviously. Or Mike Novogratz at Digital Galaxy Digital, right? Or maybe the Winklevoss kids, right? What's their shit? The Gemini exchange, right? And so, like that, right? Okay, so it basically tracks the performance of crypto stocks and not coins. A similar ETF, VanEck Vector's Digital Asset Equity, DAPP, has been launched by VanEck as well, that traders on NASDAQ, London Stock Exchange, and Deutsche Börse. Wait, did I read that wrong, or is this just fucking bad English? Hold on, it tracks the performance of crypto stocks and not coins. Okay, we talked about that. A similar ETF, VanEck's Digital Asset one, has been launched by VanEck, as well as that traders on NASDAQ, London Stock Exchange, and Deutsche Börse. Oh, as well, that trades. Oh, not traders. All right, fuck. That trades on the NASDAQ, the London Stock Exchange, and the Deutsche Börse. So, well, there you go. It's trading on 4 exchanges. NASDAQ, London Stock Exchange, and three, and Deutsche Börse. Okay, good. So, until recently, most great crypto innovators were private companies, but that's changing rapidly. Today, there's a growing set of public companies capitalizing on crypto, said Matt Hogan, CIO of Bitwise. Crypto exchange Coinbase, which recently went public, accounts for 11.63 of the index's weightage. Oh, so Coinbase is in the fund. Oh, all right. So here's more names. Joined by MicroStrategy, Galaxy Digital, Riot Blockchain, Voyager Digital, Canaan, Northern Data, Hive Blockchain, Bitfarm, and Marathon Digital Asset Holdings. Oh, along with PayPal, Square, Silvergate, and others. Holy, they're really stuffing this shit. They're really stuffing a lot of names into this ETF. That's a bunch of names, right? Like an ETF is, at your job. I've told you this before. Your 401k is just a fund. So think of all the stocks in your fund, right? In your 401k. Right? So these guys are stuffing a whole bunch of it. Whatever. I mean, that's a fund. You can put as much in as whatever you want. That's the beauty of funds. Being a fund master, that's the best. Because if I'm say I'm a fund master, I make funds and I offer them to be invested in. As long as you're if you make funds with the best shit, man, you make a lot of money. Fund masters make a lot of money. You guys heard of a guy named Bernie Madoff? Well, I mean, it was a Ponzi scheme. What he had was a Ponzi scheme. But he got all those funds to feed him clients, right? That's how he became the baddest thing ever, right? Because these fund masters, like being a fund master, honestly, in the markets, being a fund master is one of the easiest fucking ways to make money. You just buy a whole lot of assets, slap it in the fund, and offer it to people. And if it's good shit in there, people will buy the heck out of it. And you don't do anything. You just sit back and collect money, right? That fund masters, mutual funds, retirement fund, any funds, your 401k that you're in right now, those guys are making money off you. Look at how they're making money off you. You're literally every paycheck, some of your money goes to your 401k, right? Yeah, well, some of that, a little slice of that gets cut off and gets paid to the fund master, right? That funds are interesting, man. They're very interesting. I'm not going to bullshit you. When you make your millions out of this shit, you might want to look about how to be a fund master. Now you just decide what you want to put in your crap. And you put it in there and done. All right. That's big time stuff. So this guy says that over the past years, many investors have had to watch from the sidelines as a select few have reaped the rewards of stellar cryptocurrency returns. With BITQ, our aim is to make crypto investment opportunities available through traditional investment platforms and a familiar, liquid, and cost-effective ETF. Bang! All right, and that's it. And so that's an interesting type of fund. I mean, Bitwise, they applied to the SEC fucking twice already. Well, obviously we know what happened there. Denied. So they went this other route. Smart. These guys are smart. They went another route, and they said, all right, fuck. Forget about an ETF with the crypto in it. Let's just put crypto companies in it, right? And, companies that are making money off of crypto in it. Daggone. And so, well, obviously, yeah, the SEC gave them what? All right, fucking, where was that? Just instant approval. All right, here you go. Go ahead. Right, instant. That was it. They're probably sitting there like, why didn't we do this before? So, what the fuck we do this? Why didn't we do this before, guys? Yeah, well, anyway, we done it now, so let's go. So, and so they have approval, and it does expose you. Well, let me put it another way. How am I going to say this? If you're a purchaser, if you're a soccer mom or dad that's going to use this thing, buy this thing, because you'll be able to buy this on E-Trade and stuff soon. Actually, probably now, because it's on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, and the ticker symbol is BitQ. So you already can. And so if you believe that crypto is going to rise, Well, these companies are deriving 75% of their revenues from crypto. And so if you believe that crypto is going to rise, well, obviously these companies' revenues are going to rise. And so, well, that's what we invest in, revenue generating product, right? And so, well, that's what smart investors invest in, which is what my subscribers, you and I, that's what we are. We're smart. We invest in cryptocurrency. We build our cryptocurrency warehouses big. Bang! We build our cryptocurrency warehouses strong. Bang! And we fill them with what? Yes. revenue generating crypto companies. And so if you can't buy the actual crypto, well, the best thing to do, the next best thing is to do what these guys are doing. Make a fund out of companies that are making 75%, right? That's what it said. 75% of their money, at least, that's what it said, at least 75 from directly holding crypto assets or serving the crypto market, right? So, like I just said, if you're making your money off of, let's just use Bitcoin as an example. Well, if you think Bitcoin's going to go up, well, this company's revenue is going to go up, which means put it in the basket and the fund will go up, right? And so that's a good workaround. That's a good workaround. All right, so they got the green light from the SEC. Bang! Let's move on. Bang! Goldman Sachs exec says much nope to firm after making millions on Dogecoin. So, obviously, I'm reading this to leave you guys with a happy, fun, I like to leave you with a happy, fun story on Saturdays. So you've got some happy, joy thoughts in your mind for the weekend. Of course, when you look at CoinMarketCap and it's all going down. But anyway, I try to leave you with good thoughts. Of course, the market has its own thoughts. That's how it goes. Can't mess with the market. She's got her own thoughts. She's going to do what she do. If you don't like it, tough shit. But I like to leave you with happy thoughts. So we're going to talk about this. Think about that. Someone working at Goldman Sachs they made millions off of Dogecoin. And they said, yeah, Wall Street, look, fuck you, I'm gone. And like I said, that's how some of you guys are. Some of my viewers, some of my subscribers. Some of you have made enough money that you've left your jobs. And you're just living the full crypto life now. You've made enough money to pay off all your debts, buy yourself a few toys, and you still got crypto, bang, in the warehouse, still waiting for the tsunami. So you've still got more money to be made. And so, that's the crypto life, baby. Crypto life. That's how it goes. And so here's an example. Right, here's an example of a crypto brother. He's working at the biggest bank in well, I don't know about the biggest. Anyway, it's one of the most prestigious banks in America, thus the world. One of the most prestigious banks in the world. He made so much, or maybe it's a she. I don't know. I didn't read the story, but they said, "Yo, fuck all this. I ain't waking up anymore and shaving all day." Right? Oh, yeah. I'm done with the rat race. So, and that's the whole point of this channel, is to make it so that all of you and myself, we get to that level where we're just like, well, I don't have a 9-to-5 job. My money makes me money already, so I'm already a killer. But the point is to make all of you guys like that, I guess. And, pay off your bills, pay off your debt, and you still have money left. And you can tell your boss, look, boss. All those years of bullshit. Look. Look. That's what you're going to give them. You're giving me look. Bang. Bang. That's how you do it. Yeah, show up one day in the morning, the day you're going to quit, right? Just show up in a pair of you know what I'm saying? No, just show up in a pair of shorts, flip-flops. Oh yeah, like you have a meeting with your overseas Chinese clients. You know, they're oh my gosh, this is too funny. That's what happens. Hold on, I got tears, daggone. I got tears of joy for you. Because this is what I want you all to do one day. All right? You've got a 2:00. You've got a 2:00 appointment in the boardroom with your clients from overseas. A Chinese distributor of blah, 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 blah. That's going to distribute your shit for your company, right? Oh, and you got to make the presentation. Look, if you distribute this, we think we'd have sales here, and bang, bang, bang. Look. Right, all the little business talk. You got to talk to these guys. That's what you do is when you make the... Oh, my gosh. I love you guys. And I hope you all do this one day. And you fucking walk right in there? Yeah. Just walk in. I'm sorry. The imagery in my mind. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Hold on. And that's what you're going to do. You're going to walk into that meeting. You're going to walk into the boardroom. Right? You'll be downstairs and you'll tell your boss, when you're in the parking lot, "Hi, boss, I'm here. I'm coming up." Great. And your boss will be in the boardroom to the Chinese executive saying, "Yes, we've got Johnson coming up right now. He's got the numbers and the figures. He'll show you them." And they go, "Yes, okay, oza." Yeah, and then you show up. You fucking just show up with in shorts, a pair of flip-flops with white socks on. Oh, hey. And a fucking t-shirt and a baseball hat on. That says like, "I love big asses" or something. You show up at the meeting, like, "Hey, boys." Right, and your boss is looking at you like, "What the fuck? Johnson, what?" Like, "What, boss?" "Go down, dog. I got the data." You do the presentation. Obviously, the Chinese clients are shocked. What sort of corporate culture is this that we're working with, all right? And after the meeting, your boss is like, "Johnson, this is unacceptable. Do you know, I'm so angry at you, I could fire you right now." And you just tell him, "Look, asshole, I've already quit. I just decided to do this last one for you to be nice." Bang! Fuck you. So that's what you do. Just like this Goldman Sachs exec did. Right? Probably got sitting at the trading desk. They told him, "Buy $100 billion worth of bonds." He was like, fuck all this. Right? He just got on his computer and probably watching me. "Oh, yeah. Hey, what are you watching right there? Who's that black guy you're watching?" "What does it matter to you, fuckstick?" "Johnson, get to work." "Fuck you." "What? You're fired." "I already quit. I was just using your data. I was just using your computer. I was just using your computers for some fun. So I'm rich now, and I really just wanted to talk to Sally over there in accounting before I left the firm." Look, that's how you do it. Before you leave the firm, grab yourself a nice little smarty pants girl out of accounting or legal. Well, you'll be good to go, boys. That's how you do it. Before you leave the job, unless you're married, of course, grab yourself a little cutie out of accounting department. She knows money, right? Look, sweetie. That's what you tell her. Sally, come here. Johnson, what are you doing? You're dressed all weird like that. What's going on? Yeah, I quit. You quit? What? Yeah, I'm a millionaire now. I have Dogecoin. I'm a millionaire. You want to roll? What do you mean? Let's go, girl. You know we've been talking together a little bit. You see me flirting with you. Want to roll or not? I got millions. Let's get out of here. I got enough for me and you. Huh? Let's go, sweetie. Okay. Yes. That's how you got to do it. When you leave your job, boys, make sure you pick yourself up a little cutie out of accounting or legal. Because that's what you need. When you have money, you need two things. A lawyer and an accountant. So if you can grab yourself one out of the job, if you can grab yourself one out of the pool at your job, well, great. All right, you just pick one. All right, let's go. Let's go, sweetie. You're with me now. That's how you do it, boys. That's how I do it. Oh, yeah, if I was a worker bee and I was making all this crypto money. Like, look. Yo, Jessica, I've had my eyes on you for a while. I know. You've been flirting with me. You daggone right I have. Well, look, sweetie, I got a few million, and I need to spend it. Can't spend it all by myself. Want to roll? Okay. All right, let's go. All right, guys. All right, so let me get a sip. That's how you got to do it. Right like this guy right here. Or girl, I don't know. I haven't read the story yet. But they say, fuck that. I've made millions on Dogecoin. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of this rat race. Quickly. I want you all to read the book. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Get yourself out of the rat race. Get your mind right. Get your mind right. In fact, I'm going to tweet that tonight. Get your mind right. So when you make these millions, you grab yourself a little Susie out of accounting. Bah! Get yourself a fucking private jet and fucking, fly around with her for a while. Well, forever. You're going to marry her. Forever. Can't just make her quit her job and then leave her later. You got to marry her, obviously. But I don't love her, Shomari. Fuck love, buddy. Does she look good? Can she cook? Can she clean? Well, is she funny? Is she nice? All right, good enough. What do you need, fucker? What the fuck do you need? Just need a piece of ass that can entertain you enough. Bang! And you can entertain back. It's a two-way street. All right? Does she laugh at your jokes? Well, all right. She's happy. Bring her along. All right, that stupid joke you made about blah, blah, blah the other day, and she laughed at it. Wow. As long as you can feed her, house her, and make her laugh, she ain't going to worry. She ain't going to complain. All right, let's go, man. We're getting crazy talk now. I like that, though. I like that. Make sure to do that, boys, before you leave your job. Grab yourself a little accountant or a little girl out of accounting or the legal department. That's what I'd do. So, look, according to the Telegraph, a senior Goldman Sachs executive has quit the firm. And that's the funny part. That's the other part that I love about it. Yeah, senior Goldman Sachs executive. So this isn't like some fucker who just answers the phone or something. This a senior executive has quit the firm after making millions from Dogecoin. Aziz McMahon, the head of emerging market sales, resigned after 14 years. Holy, he put in his time. He said, look, I've had enough. Bah! Susie, in accounting, come on. We're getting out of here, sweetie. Yeah, we're getting the fuck out of here. 14 years, daggone. Right, daggone. I told you about our brother, Justin Williams. J-Will 24. Yeah, I told you about him, right? He was sitting the other day. He was sitting in a meeting, right? Oh, and they were giving him the business. All fingers pointing at him, and you guys are lazy. him and his team, right? And he's sitting there thinking, tag God, I'm a fucking millionaire. And I'm sitting listening to this fucking motherfucker. I'm sitting there, listening to this shit from this fuckstick who probably doesn't even know how to code a fucking program anyway, calling me lazy. And I've been here grinding out for 10 daggone years. Well, and he has. He has. Oh, he's been working just like this guy, right? It says right here, after 14 hard-working years. Wait, where's my bang? Right here, right? Hold on. Let me get the bang right. After years. Yeah. Our boy Justin, he works at a real prestigious company. I told you, I'm not going to tell you it because seriously, he would get in trouble. Like maybe if somehow it caught wind or something. You know how these companies are. And he's like, this guy's calling me lazy. I'm sitting here a millionaire. Not only is he a millionaire, but he's a code master. I've written half the fucking code up in this bitch to make their computers run, and he's calling me lazy. Daggone. He's got discipline, though. He's not an idiot. He's got discipline. All right, so, though, plus he already has a Susie at home. He has a wife and kids, so he can't do that thing I just said. But for the rest of you, oh, yeah, grab little Susie out of legal. Oh. All right, so look. Yeah, that's what you do. You just grab little Susie out of legal. Hey, Susie, you want to go have some lunch? Sure, Johnny. Let's go have some lunch. And while you're at lunch, you say, I'm thinking of quitting the job. You're thinking of quitting? Oh, my gosh, but you have a career here. Blah, blah, blah. Susie, let me show you a little something. Do you know about cryptocurrency? Of course I do. It's the new thing, the Bitcoin thing, right? Yeah, Susie. Well, I've been investing in cryptocurrency for a little while now. You have? Really? Yes, I have. Let me show you a little something. And then you just show her your Blockfolio account. Bang! But it says $5 million. Oh, Susie. I've got $5 million now, and I'm thinking of leaving. We've always been flirting around and talkie. Why don't you just come with me? What do you mean? I mean, let's fucking leave. What do you mean? Yeah, like right now. Let's go. I got $5 million. Let's go, sweetie. But I can't just. You can just. You got legs, don't you? You grew them, didn't you? Well, let's use them, and let's get the fuck out of here. Bang! That's how you tell her. That's how you tell her. You grew those legs. Let's go, girl. All right. Seriously, guys, I'm getting stupid now. It's reported McMahon has opened a hedge fund with his... he became an even more master. So it was reported that McCann, he's opened a hedge fund with his gains. See, that's murder. That's murderous right there. Do you know what? You guys know I'm a Forex trader, right? Honestly, and I told you guys I want to put $1 million in my Forex account. I was thinking of opening a firm. Yeah, and just being a head trader and just having a trading desk. Like 3-4 guys. Nothing big, not like a big hedge fund guy, but yeah, have a little trading desk, hire like 3-4 guys to trade my money for me. Or with me, really. I wouldn't just let them do it by themselves. And then I could just travel the world while these guys make my money for me. There's always opportunities, guys. When we make this money, I want you to think big. Think big. A lot of you guys are making millions and you're thinking of, well, I'm going to buy a house and I'm going to fix it up and I'm going to sell it. Fuck a house. Buy a building. Yeah. Buy a building. With rental units in it. Bang. Right? Or even get involved on a condo. Because I know a lot of you guys like real estate. I'm not getting into real estate, but I know a lot of you guys do. But I know real estate masters here, and I've told them about my crypto earnings. And they keep giving me ideas. They're like, Shomari, I could set you up. You could buy a building. You'll be clearing 20 grand a month. Blah, 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 blah. You know? Yeah, I want you to think big with your money. Because that's the way it works in life. You think big, you do big, and bigger things happen. Right? You think small and you pussy out. Yeah, well, you're gonna end up just in the gutter. Anyway, we'll talk about that later on or something. We'll talk about that once the tsunami arrives. Anyway, but he thought big. Why am I going to be the worker bee? I'll open my own motherfucking hedge fund. Yeah, hey, why am I going to be the worker bee? I'll open my own fund. Yeah, that's what I'm actually thinking of doing. Putting $1 million into and opening a trading firm, a small office. It's called a family office. I told you what a family office is. It's like a hedge fund, but you trade your own money. Yeah, I was thinking of opening a family office and just hiring like a 3-4 man trading desk. You know, just keep my eyes on them, just manage them, but then let them trade my money for me, right? When this thing goes down. We'll see. But an exact figure on how much he made is unknown at this time. Since the start of the year, the value of Doji is approximately, holy fuck. Are you fucking joking? 10,000%? Oh. I'm not going to do the math on this because I don't want to embarrass myself like last Saturday. But that's a lot. I'll just say that. I'm not going to embarrass myself again. Get the math wrong. But that's a lot. And forcing a new narrative over what constitutes sound investing. Of course, it does force a new narrative over what sound investing is. I preach around here investing in revenue-generating product. But at the end of the day, we're really just doing all this to make money, aren't we? And while Dogecoin is not sound investing, wow, look at this. It sure is profitable, 10,000%. All right, hold on. I got a fucking miscreen at my door. Let me go. I'll be right back. 1 second. Bang. All right, I'm back. Oh, fuck this fucking guy right here. Talking to me about the fucking crypto daggone it. You know, the guy. Oh, Bitcoin just went down. Like, settle down, buddy. You got to remind people, like, look, fuckstick. Bitcoin was at $15,000 in November last year. Yeah, that's less than 6 months ago. I know it's at 50, well, it's at 40, whatever now, but it went all the way to 64. So let's look at it. So that's fucking 4 times the money, right? It was at 15, so they even say 48. So let's say 45,000 would be 3 times the, 300%. Yeah. Well, go find those kind of gains on Facebook shares, Microsoft shares, fucking Ford shares, Boeing shares. It ain't going to happen. So stop fucking crying to me. Shomari went down a little bit. Yeah, so what? Settle down. All right. Here we were. Yeah. We're at the Goldman Sachs and grabbing Susie out of accounting. Grab yourself a little Susie out of accounting. Look, sweetie. I'm rich. Let's go. I need someone to spend this money with and have some fun with. All right, guys. All right, so finally, while naysayers continue to blow cold on the idea of investing in Doji, its popularity has spawned a new subcategory of doggy coins. At this stage, it's difficult to know what to make of things. Is there still more? Oh, what? Oh, we're not reading all that. I think this is a different article. Wait. All right, let's just read this shit. The price of Dogecoin poised... Oh, we don't read prices. So hold on, let's move on. We don't read prices. Oh, so let's read what Mike Novogratz says. So this is him talking here. Mike Novogratz, he's the CEO of Galaxy Digital. So we like to talk about him because he's actually a market master, but then he became a Bitcoin maximalist. All right, so take what he says with a grain of salt. So he says, when you think about the whole spirit of what this crypto revolution is, there's something pure in what Dogecoin has done. It's a little bit of a middle finger to the system. People are unhappy with the current financial system. They just are. Not really. Just you crypto folk. Soccer moms and dads don't care. They don't think that hard about it. They're worried about feeding their kids and taking them to soccer practice. They don't care who's doing cross-border payments. As you shouldn't. All right. Are we going to read this crap? All right, so that's it. I just want to, fuck all that. We're not going to read about, right down here, they're talking about the Shiba thing. And, right, they're talking about the Shiba thing. And they're talking about just this doggy trend of doggy coins. Woofy token and stupid shit like that. Yeah, real. We're not going to talk about that crap. All right, so there it is. Just for the fun of it, a Goldman Sachs executive, top executive, not just some little miscreant down in the bowels of the beast, in the depths of Goldman Sachs, but one of the top execs, one of the masters of the place, like, yo, fuck all this, I'm out of here. And so I just thought that was a fun story. Well, but not just, it's not just that it's a fun story, but it is a fun story. I think it is. But I'm not reading it just because of that, but I'm also reading it just because, well, I'm assuming that's what a lot of my subscribers are going to do. I'm assuming that's what a lot of you are doing. Well, I know that's what a bunch of you are doing, but some of you that don't have enough money yet to do that, well, I'm assuming this is exactly what you plan on doing, isn't it? And so, yeah, there's an example. Don't worry, it happens. Don't be afraid. Oh, I'm not telling you to leave your job, but I'm just saying there will become a time when it's right. And, yeah, even what I'm going to say is you working at, I don't know, whatever you work at, your little job, making spreadsheets for, I don't know what you do, for some fucking steel plating company or something. I don't know what, But, yeah, this is it, And like I said, a lot of the guys, a bunch of guys here have already left their jobs and started their new crypto lives. And so it's real. I guess another thing about this story is that it's real, guys. It's coming. It is coming. And don't leave too early. The juice is worth the squeeze. It's a hodl. But don't worry, you're going to get this chicken. All right, let's get out of here. Bye. What we got? Georgios. Publicly. Hold on. Publicus. Bye. This guy sounds like he's like you're Greek. Bye. Bye. Some good souvlaki with some tzatziki sauce. Yes. Man, I miss those, man. Daggone it. They don't sell that kind of shit here. All right. Chepiviso and the Paskuyaki tribe. Lord Bathsheba. Bang. Tool master. Bang. V-Chain master. Bang. V-Chain hodler. Bang. V-Chain killer. Bang. And just bang. Yes. Love you, Chief. Tool master. Bang. Tool master. All right. Look, here's the band of miscreants. Boom, what we got here? Oh, you guys are still watching the movie? Yeah, exactly. Right, I told you, Enron, the smartest guys in the room. This movie will show you, this documentary will show you, Enron was $100 billion company. Okay? Oh, it's $1 billion. Oh. Yeah, that's why I always tell you guys, do not listen to what CEOs of companies tell you or representatives of companies tell you, even not just the CEO, but any of their representatives. You have to actually look at what they actually accomplish. That's what we're invested in. You and I, when I tell you to build a cryptocurrency warehouse big, bang! When I tell you to build a cryptocurrency warehouse strong, bang! And I tell you to fill it with working product, Meaning, I expect you to do your due diligence, investigation, and see if what you're investing in is actually making money. So Ripple lovers, not making any money. Whereas you Chainlink lovers, yay! Holy fuck, you guys just keep signing up fucking... or here we go. Let's go for today's show. Bang, you Polygon hodlers. Yay! Yeah. Actually making money. Onboarding after onboarding after onboarding. Well, today wasn't really an onboarding. It was more of a thing to let the developers make things easier. But if you're going to even make it easier, well, dang on. They're going to even onboard more. So that's why I love this documentary. I've watched it a gazillion times. I literally know it almost word by word. And I suggest everybody watch this. I want you to see, okay? Just because something is powerful and these guys are big and they're in the news and they're in the media and they're on Time Magazine's Man of the Year and shit, that doesn't mean shit. Until you, the investor, take a look at the numbers yourself. You don't know what they're talking about. Yeah, and that's what happened with Enron. Someone, Bethany McLean, her name was Bethany McLean. She was a reporter from the New Yorker magazine, and instead of just being a sycophant, just being a cocksucker of all the Enron executives, she looked at the real numbers. She looked at the numbers of the company, right? Because these publicly traded companies have to give their numbers. Yeah, well, she actually looked at them, and she said, this is a bunch of bullshit right here. She said, this is a bunch of bullshit right here. How are these guys making money? And once she wrote her article in the New Yorker magazine, yeah, well, then other people started waking up. Really? What? Someone's questioning Enron, big Enron, the mighty Enron. And they started looking at the numbers. And they came to the same conclusion, too. Wait a minute. How the fuck is this thing making money? Because it wasn't. It wasn't. It was one of the biggest scams ever. So don't listen to CEOs. Don't listen to company execs. You got to look at numbers and data yourself. All right? That's what Ripple lovers are getting caught up in. They're getting caught up in Enron shit. Right? Ripple has 0 banks using their on-demand liquidity. They're moving less than $4 million a day on their with this remittance shit through Mexico and through Australia and through the Philippines. Less than $4 million a day. Pathetic. Yeah, but a lot of people are invested in it, right? Yeah, because obviously they're not looking at the numbers. Well, not only that, but I mean the fucking executives are under indictment. They're under indictment by the SEC. So good luck with those investments. And so that's why I want my investors to be smarter. Right? That's what this channel is about, to make you smart as a market participant. I'm a market participant, and I'm trying to make you a market participant. In other words, a killer bee. What I like to refer to as a killer bee. You're a worker bee right now, but you are transitioning into killer bee mode. And I want you to get your mind right about that. Not listening to executives. Well, Elon Musk said, blah, blah, blah. Who gives a fuck what Elon Musk says? He's a fucking engineer of cars and rocket ships. If he says something about cars and rocket ships, all right, then you listen to the fucker. Other than that, what the fuck he's talking about markets, so what? What the fuck does he know about markets? Nothing. Right? That's not his specialty. That's not what he was trained in. That's not what he does. That's not what he went to school for. Right? Stop listening to just, there's this thing in the world where if a guy has CEO in front of his name, well, then he must know everything somehow. Like the guy, what's the other crypto guy, the basketball guy, Mark Cuban. Mark Cuban accepting Bitcoin and accepting Dogecoin for stuff. All right, so what? He's just doing that because it's a fad. He doesn't know about it. He doesn't know about markets. He doesn't know about anything. He's just a fucker who knows how to own a basketball team. He knows how to buy guys who can dunk and shoot threes. Right? So I want you to get sophisticated and not, like the average moron that just, well, it says he's a CEO, he must know. How does he know? How does he know? Jeff Bezos says blah, blah, blah. So what? Jeff Bezos knows about fucking, Jeff Bezos doesn't know about markets. Jeff Bezos knows about supply chain. Yeah. He'll get a fucking box of Oreos to your house in 3 days. That's what he knows. He didn't know about markets. Okay? Just because they have CEO in front of their name, everyone does this. They bow down. Fuck, he's just a fucking supply chain master. Yes, he's a supply chain master, Jeff Bezos, right? Yeah, so if he tells you about supply chain, yeah, you better fucking listen. But if he tells you what to invest in, how do you know, buddy? All right, guys. All right, so let's move on. So I want everyone to go to my channel, though, and watch this movie, The Smartest Guys in the Room, Enron. And, yeah, there it is. There's the perfect example. $100 billion company. Failing. Everything they did failed. They ended up just having to scam the California market for energy, just unleash their trading desks on California, and try to survive. And even then, that didn't work. And, wow. Just like Ripple is going to happen, what's happening about Ripple, this would happen with Enron. All the top executives went to court, and they all went to jail. So, bang. All right, let's move on. Deep Entertainment. So, brother. Let's see, brother. Bang. He's the one who told us about the other way to buy a crypto. Shit, I can't remember what coin it was. Dino Jankovic, the creator of Noah Fest. See, look at he's got Noah Fest already. He's already hashtagging it. Daggone right, brother. He's the one who thought of it. Way back in the days in 2018, I was just calling it a party. I was just like, all right, guys, we're going to have a party. He said, yeah, Noah Fest. And so that's how we got Noah Fest, was from Dino. The Netherlands boys taking over. Actually, they've been here the whole time, daggone. Sneaky and quiet. Love you, Dino. See you, Dino. Bang! Oh, and here's another one. See? These guys are actually friends. Dino, Airdropper, and Van Breden. Yeah, they're all friends. I think there's another one of them, too. There's a couple of them, and they put them in my chat. Yeah, these Netherlands boys, they're not fucking around. That's how you got to do it. Netherlands boys, they ain't fucking around. They're coming to get this piece out of this crypto market. They're coming to get their piece out of this tsunami. Oh, yeah, they ain't fucking around. So airdrop up. You know who you are. You know what you are. Son of a bitch. Bang. 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 Got you wrong, guys. But daggone, I love you, brother. Bang. See you, brother. Bang. No savior. Bang. All right. Andrew Racheta. Look. He tells you the words of wisdom. Juice worth the squeeze, folks. Hodl. The juice is worth the squeeze. Shomari, I've already made $1 million. Why don't I just cash out now? Now's not the time. Now's not the time to cash out. Got a lot more money coming in here, boys. Just hodl. Believe me, the juice is going to be worth the squeeze. The juice is going to be worth the squeeze. I know you got $1 million now. Oh, yeah, you're feeling all proud of yourself and everything. All right, good, as you should. But look, there's plenty more where that came from. You want to cut yourself short now? Or you want to squeeze that juice? Yeah. Look, around here, the juice is worth the squeeze. And Andrew Racheta will tell you, let's see further. Bang! Juice worth the squeeze. Beautiful bralees. Still no umbrella. I mean, for fuck's sakes, girl. You've been watching this channel for 2 years? You didn't make enough money to send me an umbrella yet? Yeesh. Let me go see you go. Bang. That's all she gets. She gets a right? Everyone else gets one of these. Let me see, brother. Bang. You know, a proud bang. This is what you get, beautiful bralees. Let me go see you go. Bang. You just get a little bang. Look. Oh, here she goes. Lorna, all in downs. Look. She said, look. Oh, yeah. Bang. I'm all in. Look, girl. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. buying up half of Detroit, her and her homie. Yeah, they're going to call it. They're going to call that Detroit. They're going to rename that shit to fucking Downtown. No, because downtown, there's already downtown. Downtown's the name. What are they going to, I don't know, Lornatown, Lornaville. Oh, yeah. Like that. All right. Miguel G started his thing just to follow, started his Twitter account just to follow me. Larry with the T brother. Bang. Grunchable. Larry with the T brother. Oh, what are you talking about now? ETF. NFT 2021. Ah, yes, brother. Exactly. This 2021 is the year of the ETF and the NFT. Well, it's the year of the NFT. We know that. Let's hope we get the daggone ETF. Love the T with the bang. Bam. Love the T with the connecting the dots. Bang. Banks, new brother. Love the T with the bang. Yes. What else we got around these parts? See a few more. Abundantly made. Love the T brother and the kid. Bang. Universal Misanthrope. Oh, yeah, dog. So, yeah, those videos you showed me. Nice. Those are the good shit. That's the quality goods right there we're talking about. You know what I mean. Love the T brother. Bang. We'll just leave it at that. Not everyone can appreciate the quality of what we're talking about. Sunny B, Spy Lady, Levy Lady, See You Lady, bang. Oh, here's a new guy. Crypto Gonzo. The next bull run will melt faces. MFT, Hi-Fi Mainframe, Beth Bank DeFi, 88 Cardano, and Charles We Trust. Blah, 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 blah. All right, Crypto Gonzo, love with the T with the bang. Sometimes you got to cut those motherfuckers off. Too much talk. Look, Native Warrior for the Pasquiyaki tribe. V-Chain Master, bang. V-Chain Hodler, bang. V-Chain Killer, bang. Yes. Love with the T brother. Tool Master, bang. Radster holding down the insurgency in the Eastern European sector. Love with the T brother, bang. In Prague. Yes. Robbie Hardaway. Love with the T brother, bang. Roy Stoke. Love with the T brother, bang. Yes. Good to see you, Roy. Added you to my chat. I noticed you're in there chatting away. Good stuff. Hope you're learning. Those motherfuckers, they know all the little stuff about crypto. And then finally, let's go to Quartz Crystal. Yes, look at Quartz Crystal. Little cutie. Yeah, she's a little crypto master. Right? She knows all the wallets. Put this here. Connect this to that. Swap this, that. Oh, yeah. Use version 1, version 2. All this talk lately, these guys are talking. Oh, yeah. She knows. Quartz Crystal knows. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. Feel free to talk to me privately anytime. All right. Well, let's get to the... Bang. Let's get back to the Death Star. All right. So we had a great show for you today. All right. Of course we did. All right. So, story number 1. ConsenSys. So, ConsenSys added 2 tools that now support Polygon. Their first tool was Infura, which, hold on, let me look. Infura enables developers to connect Ethereum via an API without having to run a full node. So, bang. And then they also put on this other thing called Truffle. Truffle brings tools that help developers build and deploy their dApps like boilerplate projects. So, whatever that means, it's obviously some sort of upgrade, or they wouldn't be talking about it. And so, Polygon hodlers, Matic hodlers, bang! Yes, indeed. And I mean, and that explains why Matic was the number 1 gainer of the week. Right? We've read Matic stories 3 days in a row. 3 days in a row. So obviously they're doing something. All right. And then Bitwise launches a crypto innovators ETF. And so what makes this ETF different is that they're not actually investing in the crypto itself. So it's not a Bitcoin ETF. It's not an Ethereum ETF. It's an ETF that has public first. So first of all, these are publicly traded companies. So they're on the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ, wherever they are, where they're publicly traded. In other words, they've IPO'd. And they're just stuffing these all into a fund and going to unleash the fund. Smart thing to do. It's the same thing George Soros, his company's doing. His hedge fund's doing. They're not investing in crypto directly. They're investing in peripheral industry stuff. So they're investing in crypto custodians, crypto exchanges, crypto insurance companies, whatever, like that, like that. Peripheral stuff. And so that's what these guys are doing. And it shows you that, and also the companies so each company in this ETF have to gain at least 75% of their income from cryptocurrency itself. So it's a smart play in that, as long as Bitcoin and Ethereum and stuff still go up, this company's revenues are going to go up too, right? And so it's a smart play. All right, so bang. All right, one more miss screen. Hold on. And then finally, Goldman Sachs exec quits after making millions on Doji. And so what's funny about that is they didn't just quit, but they just decided, I'm just going to start my own hedge fund with this money. And so that's what you can do. But I brought that up just because I know a lot of you are getting ready to quit your jobs. And so, like I said, you got to make money once you leave. So bang. And so on that funny note with the Goldman Sachs thing, I'll leave you. Let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth, greatest show in the multiverse. My name is Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang. Love talking crypto. Bang. This is the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home, and I will see you on Tuesday with another Fun Fact Day of Crypto. So until then, my name is Shomari Clarke. Watch this video here. Subscribe here. Boom. Watch that video there. Bang. And I will see you on Tuesday. My name is Shomari Clarke. Always watching on money. Bye. Have a great weekend. Yes. Over and out.